Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to talk about common breastfeeding positions and how finding a comfortable position can make feeding sessions easier for both mother and baby. Many new mothers are surprised to learn that there is no single perfect feeding position. Every mother and baby are different, so it may take some time to discover what feels most comfortable. One of the most commonly used positions is the cradle hold. In this position, the baby rests across the mother's lap while being supported during feeding. Many mothers find this position natural once they become familiar with it. Another popular option is the cross-cradle hold. This position provides additional support and control, which can be helpful for mothers who are still learning feeding techniques. Some mothers prefer the football hold. In this position, the baby is tucked comfortably at the mother's side. Many mothers find it useful in certain situations because it offers a different angle and level of support. The side-lying position is another common choice. Many mothers appreciate this position during nighttime feedings because it allows both mother and baby to remain comfortable while feeding. No matter which position you choose, comfort is important. Supporting your back, shoulders, and arms can help make feeding sessions more relaxed. It is also helpful to bring the baby close to you rather than leaning forward. Good positioning often helps make feeding more comfortable over time. Remember that learning feeding positions is a process. It is completely normal to try different positions before finding the one that works best for you and your baby. With patience, practice, and a comfortable setup, feeding sessions can become a calm and enjoyable part of your daily routine. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.